Welcome back to Super Gaming Players! Today we are playing Press the button. Three! So,
I don't know why we're so tall in this game.
I know, right?
But
Let's see. I want this elevator.
I'll go with you, Miguel.
Which elevator is
I think
it?
I'll go in this one.
I'm going in this one.
I'm going with Miguel, actually. Because I'm scared, kind of. I don't want to be like...
Okay, guys, we're inside this.
Bye! No, don't say bye.
Let me close it. Let's go to room 3. I don't know.
I don't know what room 3 does to you.
Hey, how come that thing is working, guys? Okay. Oh my god! I can't move!
I'm scared I can't move.
Oh my god!
What is that?
What is that?
Its teeth is destroyed.
Let's go to another floor. Back down. Let's go back down. I'm gonna press back down.
No, two.
Why are you pressing 2? 2's not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna be on the same floor. Let me click it.
Oh, God. 3.
Room 3, please. Oh my god. What?
Wait, what fell out of it.
No!
I want to do an obby.
Wait, everybody's dead. That's kind of weird.
Wait, why are we standing on invincible below?
I have no idea. One thing I want to know is that I want to get down from this, well, place.
Honestly.
Whoa!
Press it. I press it first.
You don't press it. Wait.
Other friend wins the game.
Wait. Oh no!
I died. Like, what the heck? Wait, what?
Wait.
What?
Ugh. Woo. I'm on the roof of a house.
What?
Whoa.
Is it not
Whoa.
That's kind of weird.
We got... Wait, my legs! My legs are gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's so funny?
Your legs are gone. There's so much bone.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Why is your leg like this?
I don't know, guys.
I was falling with all the balls. What?
What?
I'm sitting in front.
I'm just gonna go here.
Oh,
That was short.
press it. Nothing's going.
Oh, not again. Phew.
We didn't get that. We're still alive.
Go, go, go.
What? What is that?
Hiya. Oh no. Come on. Come on, Puppy. Hi. Whoa, no. Oh, no, guys. No. I'm still down.
Whoa! Press it!
Go. Oh my god, something's gonna rise. Oh, we gotta do this.
Something's gonna rise, Miguel. It's so funny.
Oh no! Something's rising!
Right.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm stuck down here, guys. I have to go fast. Oh no!
Why did everyone saw your face?
I don't want anyone to see my face.
Uh-oh. Poopy circle.
Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video.
We're in a poopy circle.
Go, go, go. Another obby, guys.
Maybe something's gonna go
I'm
up.
gonna go here.
Maybe something's gonna rise.
Something's rising!
Something's rising.
Go! Whew, I'm safe.
Me too. I'm safe.
I'm just gonna do a dance.
Me too.
Woo!
I'm gonna do
Woo! Hey, what? Oh my God. Since you have a gun, I'm gonna try to get something too. What should I get? A guitar. Woohoo! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Dude, I'm sorry, you guys. Let's go on the boxes.
I didn't know.
Boxes.
Wait, you guys were... Anyways, I'm just gonna play a little tune. My name's Miguel. I have a big,
Something's
Black
gonna rise.
black thing on
Keep
my...
on singing. Something's gonna rise.
Anyways, guys, I'm probably gonna make my tune song, which is My Name's Miguel. My name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat and also a fat Miguel. Wait, My name's Miguel.
Whoa, I'm up here.
And I got a Miguel, and I got a jail. My name is Miguel.
Wow.
I love pizza.
But I wanna get pizza. I missed the pizza. I got
Don't go there, guys. I knew something was gonna happen, and probably make me lag. Anyways, time to play my little scene. My name's Miguel.
No one cares about your song.
Hey,
Because it doesn't.
that's why you died. Haha.
Well, you are so
My
stupid.
name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat and a Jiggle hat.
What is
My
this?
name's Miguel.
Stop singing.
Wait, what? I got a Miguel hat. Go away. I can push it away with my music. My name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat. Hey, is that Michael Myers? Oh, wait, that's Jason. Ah! Help me now!
I'm going up on the tree.
No, I can't let any of you see my face. My name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat with the Jiggle hat.
Look, he's trying to get me, but he can't.
Miguel. Ha ha. No.
Whoa.
My name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat. Everybody, it's my tune. My name is whoa.
Whoa, what? We're getting killed.
Stay out of control, guys. I'm controlling it. Ah! I'm gonna kill all of you. I'm controlling it. My name's Miguel. I got a Miguel hat with the Juggill hat.
Stop singing again.
Ow. My name's thank you.
You stupid guy. Hey.
No, you're gonna make me die.
I don't care. Oh.
gotta forget that. Whoa.
Once a year, you say,
Hey guys, make sure to wish me a happy birthday because tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. Hey, shut up. I'm trying to tell them my birthday. I'm trying to tell them.
happened, Miguel?
Oh, well, I can jump high, but please wish me a happy birthday because I'm turning 8 tomorrow.
And I'm gonna turn 4. No,
No,
you're gonna turn 3. I'm gonna turn 3. And I'm gonna turn 7.
spell.
I mean 6.
Yeah. There were
Whoa.
other ones.
I'm